Seen all the hype about earning in Hamster Kombat? Let's break down the ways to potentially make money in this cute clicker game. But remember, it's still early days. Step 1. Clicker Champ. The base gameplay involves tapping to earn coins. It's simple but time-consuming, and unlikely to get you rich quickly. Step 2. Passive Power. Hamster Kombat offers profit per hour based on upgrades you buy with coins. This sounds passive, but you'll need a significant investment to see real returns. Step 3. Referral Rumble. Get your friends involved. Refer them using your code and earn rewards. This can be a good way to boost your earnings, but remember, rely on the fun, not just the potential money. Step 4. The big question, cashing out. Here's the key unknown. As of July 2024, withdrawals haven't been implemented yet. The developers claim it's coming soon, but there's no guarantee on how it will work or the value of the earned coins. Step 5. Focus on fun, not fortune. If you enjoy the clicker gameplay and the hamster cuteness, Hamster Kombat might be a fun distraction. But for now, focus on having fun, not making money. There are no guarantees. Like and subscribe for more mobile game exploration. Remember, have fun first and let's see how Hamster Kombat develops. If there is any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you. Thanks for watching.